y'all, CurlBox screwed up again. What's up, queen? So I'm back with another CurlBox unboxing. I know I am super late with this, but it's rather late than never. So let's jump into the unboxing. So before I begin, I do want to say that CurlBox did send me my replacement shampoo from the horrible disaster unboxing video of my last CurlBox. But you guys will not be surprised what went on. So I did put in a few tickets to get my replacement shampoo. The first time that I did put in the ticket, I spoke to someone briefly, and long and behold, CurlBox has somebody on their team who was just closing out the tickets and not resolving the problem. If I can find an email, I'm gonna put the picture of the screenshot somewhere on the screen. So with that being said, I did get my ORS CurlBox for free, and I also got my refund back. But I went and I purchased another non-subscription box,
and y'all, CurlBox screwed up again.
You think they would get it right the first time, but I'm not too mad because this happened. I initially went and ordered the Honor Your Curl box, which is this box right here that I'm gonna unbox for you guys. But I received the My Black is Beautiful box. So CurlBox had to end up sending me the correct box. So the My Black is Beautiful box is the box that they sent first. I had to put in another ticket, contact them, send them pictures of what they sent me, and long and behold, CurlBox did send me the correct box. So with that being said, I did get the My Black is Beautiful box. Is free. Y'all know I'm gonna keep complaining every time CurlBox screw up. I'm gonna keep complaining, and I'm gonna let you guys know I'm not gonna stop. I know you ladies probably saying, if CurlBox keeps screwing up, why you keep ordering from them?
You would keep ordering from them too if they was only $25 and you was getting 4 to 6 full-size items. You would suck that itch up and keep buying from them too. So that's what I'm gonna keep doing.
Now on to the unboxing. Boop. So this is the Honor Your Curls non-subscription box, and it looks like this. This is all the items that you will receive in the box. Now this box was only $20. I only have to pay $5 for shipping, which make this box only $25. And I did receive 4 products and a scrunchie. Now to my surprise, I was not expecting this brand to be a Head and Shoulders brand. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box because they do have a couple of items that was not given in the Curl box. So this collection is called the Royal Oils Head and Shoulders collection. Y'all, I made all my notes because I don't got my glasses. Ain't nobody got time to be straining their eyes looking at these little small words. So this is the Royal Oils Refreshing Root Rinse, and it do have aloe water and hemp oil in it, and it looks like this. Now this is a 12-ounce bottle. So it states that it refreshes your roots and remove buildup, and it helps with locking in moisture with continuous use, and you will see result within 3 weeks. The next item is the Hair Replenishing Mist. This also has aloe water and hemp oil in it, and it looks like this. This is a 4.2 fluid ounce bottle. It provides light conditioning and 48 hours of refreshment. The next item is the Nighttime Scalp Tonic Lotion. This do have peppermint oil and hemp oil in it, and it is a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle. It helps nourish the scalp and soothes against itchiness. Last but not least, you do have the Frizz Tamer. This comes in a 3-ounce container, and this helps smooth and tame new growth as well as lock in moisture. And it do come with this cute little scrunchie. I do love the packaging that the products do come in. So for the Honor Your Crown collection, I would say if you ladies or gentlemen have any issues with dandruff or any type of scalp issues, I would definitely say give this a try because it may work out for you. All of these products from this collection is sulfate and paraben free. Now let's jump into the My Black is Beautiful box. Now this box was kind of heavy. When you open it, you have all your items like so. I thought this was like a bag. I thought this was maybe a bag for you to put your products in, but I think it's like a head thing, like a head scarf. Like child, I don't know exactly what this is, but it's cute. It says my black is beautiful. Yeah, it's cute. Is something open? Yup, this sure was open. Good thing it ain't spilled. Lord, would have been another round. Another round of them replacing something. This is how everything look when you open the box. You do get 5 full-size products. I do like the packaging of these products. They're nice and sleek and cute. I will also leave the link down below in the description box for the My Black is Beautiful box. So if you ladies want to go ahead and check out their website or see if they have any more products, you can definitely do so. So the first item we're going to always start off with is the shampoo. Now this is the hydrating shampoo. It do come in 9 fluid ounces. It is a lightweight hydrating shampoo that have a rich and creamy formula, and it is formulated to actually cleanse the hair without stripping the hair of its natural oils. And this shampoo also helps increase moisture retention. Now the next product we have is the fortifying conditioner. This do come in 8.4 fluid ounces. This conditioner helps leave your hair feeling moisturized. It also softens and detangles the hair as well. It also infuses and still hair with moisture, and it helps with the elasticity. Now the next item we do have is the Tangle Slayer Conditioning Cream, and this is 6.7 fluid ounces, and this formula is for type 4 hair. Now I'm not too sure why they send 2 types of conditioners in the box. I would have thought they would have sent like a styler or maybe a leave-in, so that's kind of like odd. This conditioner also locks in moisture. It helps to detangle the hair and leave your curls feeling soft. Now this is the Intense Recovery Treatment. This is like a deep conditioner, and this comes in a 5.7 fluid ounce bottle. Now this is a deep penetrating mask that instantly smooths, replenish, repair the hair to improve manageability and shine. It also restores moisture. Last but not least, we have the Edge Slayer. This do come in 75 milliliters, which is also 3-ounce jar. This Edge Slayer, it helps lay your edges and also provide an all-day hold. And it do states that it is flake-free and it leaves no residue behind. So the items from My Black is Beautiful collection has no sulfates, no parabens, or silicones in it. So these are all the items that I received in both CURLBOX. If you guys enjoy unboxing videos like this, don't forget to smash that like button, as well as hit that subscribe button and turn on all your post notifications, so every time I upload a video, you ladies can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later.